The Laker 610 Camper Electric. A lightweight, all-aluminum pontoon built for adventure. It is durable, rot-free, and designed for the water, with welded dual-chamber pontoons and a rugged non-slip deck and excellent stability for smooth cruising and easy docking. Equipped with a Minn Kota trolling motor, Bimini top, and marine power station, it's ready for your journey. Affordable, reliable, and built to last. The open deck design of the Laker 610 Camper Electric makes it easy to add your own furniture, allowing you to customize the layout to perfectly suit your style and needs. The Laker 610 Camper Electric. Your adventure awaits. Customize yours today.